Look at that yummy deliciousness. We're making Kilawing Puso na saging. That's right. Yummy in my tummy. Welcome back, folks. Jake and Cook here. You want to learn how to make that classic dish I just showed you? Well, stick around and I'll show you how to make it. So let's get started. Alright folks, let's get started here. We are rendering some pork bellies here, and we're going to brown them up. You know how I do with my pork. I don't want it to have that porky aftertaste. And so, the process of rendering here. Alright folks, welcome back here. Now that we crisp them up, see how much oil or pork fat we render? That's a good amount of pork fat right there that we rendered. Imagine that covering our puso na saging. That yum flavor, the pork. Alright, now that we have that, let's start sauteing our garlic too. Aromatics. Put that on there. It's about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. All right. Once we're done with that, let's add in our onions. All right. A little bit of salt. What happened to my fresh ground black pepper? Oh, baby. Give me some fresh ground black pepper there. There you go. All right. Just gonna wait until the onions softened up, releases its flavor, and then we're gonna put our Kilawin, or not Kilawin, our banana blossoms, banana hearts. Once we're done with that, see if this thing fits in here. We'll start sauteing our banana blossoms here. All right. Medium high heat, folks. Medium high heat. Flavor this up. Some fish sauce. All right. Some fish sauce right there. Fresh ground black pepper. At this point, you can flavor it up with whatever flavoring agent you got there. Wow syrup or magic syrup. That's totally up to you. Right? Just fold it up. Smell this, folks. Smells delicious already. Give this about a minute, folks, to absorb the umami flavor of that fish sauce right there. 1 minute's up. Check back on this. Smelling good already. Brings back memories, folks. Brings back memories. Imagine this. Banana heart that you can cook. You can eat. Special dish, folks. Traditional special dish in the Philippines. Let's give them some vinegar. Half a cup, depending on how you want it. Sour, totally up to you. Let's try this again. All right. Bit of water. We like the sauce on this thing, baby. We like the sauce. Sauce alone. It's a dish in itself. All right, folks. At this point, we're gonna simmer this for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, folks. About 10 minutes in, let's go back and check on this thing. Smell that. Wish you could smell that. Woo! It's coming back to me now. Wow. Would you look at that? Let's give this a taste. A little bit of fish sauce. You got the sourness and the crunchiness of the banana hearts or banana blossom. Wow! That tastes great. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now look, folks, we're gonna add, I promise you, cellophane noodles, or glass noodles, or sotanghon. I guess that's a Tagalog thing, Tagalog dish. Tagalog style of cooking it. We put sotanghon on our kilawin. Others put gata, which I don't like. I want that sourness. I don't want gata on my kilawin. All right. By the way, we soak that sotanghon noodles, you know, so soften them up, get them ready. Doesn't take long to cook them anyway. About a minute or two, you're done. All right. All right. What's next? Wow. Of course, you gotta have some chili peppers on them. About 3 Thai chili peppers to give that wow. Let's give it some final taste, folks. Final taste. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Look at that, folks. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. There you have it, folks. Our Kilawing Puso ng Saging, or banana blossoms cooked in vinegar. I thank you for watching, and until we cook again.